White tulip painting with beautiful pink marks on the petals. An outline drawing is done. As this is white subject, white flower, we need to carefully and almost remove all the visible dark graphite lines. If you need extra, use very carefully white eraser, especially outlines where are the borders of the white petals, and we don't need there any graphite marks. They should be really transparent, as you can see from the video that only I can see them and you almost don't see my outline drawing, just because I'm removing as much as I can. Now ready to mix watercolor mixes, adding water to color palette, starting with Permanent Rose with a little touch of Alizarin Crimson. Second mix, Red Violet with Perylene Violet for the darker color, for those beautiful pink marks. Now I'm taking transparent yellow with a little touch of second mix and Ultramarine Blue. Testing on a piece of paper, I need for the shadow areas of the white petals. Now for the stem, Ultramarine Blue with a little touch of lemon yellow. And Alizarin Crimson, really teeny tiny piece of Alizarin Crimson. Testing on a piece of paper, diluting with water and checking how transparent it is. Adding to the gray mix transparent yellow and Ultramarine Blue. Testing on a piece of paper. Ultramarine Blue, transparent yellow, and little touch of violetish pink color, Ultramarine Blue, and I'm getting gray, another gray color. And all the watercolors, the right colors are mixed, pre-mixed, and we can start painting. Taking original outline drawing. Be sure that your water is clean after mixing watercolors and your brush is clean. We are painting white subject on white paper. We don't need any dark or dirty water. Starting with one petal at a time. Taking my shadow mix, which is grayish violetish. It's not quite gray, because when I look at the reference I see that it's not so gray because of those pink marks on the white petals, and white surface reflects everything that is around the white surface. And I'm carefully studying reference and putting brush strokes where I see are those pink marks, and first brush strokes where the shadow part is, and I'm painting very transparent, as you can see. Even this is very light, because when the surface will dry it will get even lighter, and that is very good. You can always go darker. Just in the first round, in the first layer, establishing where are those marks, where are shadows, leaving white area, the lightest parts, untouched. We can always add some extra brush stroke, and it is harder to remove some unnecessary brush strokes. adding finishing touches to this beautiful tulip, more contrast to shadow area, to darker spots. And this was an amazing practice, preparation for the bigger painting which I'm planning to paint. And these tulips will be in that painting. And this was just to getting to know how to paint this exact tulip, and hope you also follow this tutorial. It's fast and easy, but still a lot of things to learn here. Hope you learned something new and enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for being here, and see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.